Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for how to search waves and basically the concept of what a wave is. So in the sales order center, when you create orders, in order to allocate or reserve inventory for an order or for a customer, you can create a wave on an order. And what that basically does is you reserve that inventory for that order in preparation for shipment. And then that wave, that pick wave document, that pick ticket basically gets sent to the warehouse or your picking team, and they basically fulfill the wave and ship the order. So, just a couple things I want to show in the sales order center. So, for example, if I want to see what waves are currently on a sales order, I can just right click and then I can click on reporting and then I can click on show waves. So this is just going to pull up the waves that are currently on an order. So you can see you can create multiple waves on an order. And also you can have one wave with multiple orders on it. So you can actually do waving in all sorts of different ways. If I go to the wave center, and that's again just found by just going to the wave center here, I can see all the waves that are in the system. And so I can print them. So for example, I can just double click one and I can click on print, and then I can click on the different templates that are needed, and then print out this template. So this is typically what I would hand off to my warehousing team, so they can basically let me just try the other template here, so that they can basically print off, so they can basically fulfill the wave and ship the order. So that's something to keep in mind when creating a wave. And we'll go through in the other videos how to fulfill a wave and ship the order as well.